upgraded glasses, you can use distance to measure the distance in meters to a target unit or position. In this level, you use that to throw your dagger at munchkins that can come within throw range. Whew! Alright. Yo, relax. Okay. So it looks like we're doing a while loop so that we can continuously battle. Distance. If the distance is less than the hero's throw range, then it looks like the hero is gonna throw less than the hero, throw your dagger at the enemy. I think that's what they want us to do. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, snap. Hero has no method throw range. Then why did you? Oh. Silly me. Throw at. Silly me. Because why would you throw range? Okay. I bet y'all. So while true, we're gonna find the enemy. If the enemy is less than, if the enemy is close enough to us to throw at them, then we will throw our dagger at them. Otherwise,